Hi guys, welcome to my channel Travel Shop and Love. So as the title of this video suggests, today I'm going to do a haul. 2 days back only my child turned 7 months old, and so I thought she needs really some good clothes because all her clothes have now turned to be small for her. So I planned a lot for buying her clothes because after a few months there will be winters, and in Delhi winters everyone knows it's so chilly over here. So I got some of the winter clothes and also some full sleeve clothes for her. So today I'm going to show you all of that, and also I'm going to mention the link of the products which I'll be able to get because I have got these products a month back in due course of time. So maybe most of the products links won't be available, but still whatever is available I'll mention that in the product description link. And for further notifications about my videos in the channel, you can just click on the bell notification button below, and do subscribe my channel guys. I really need more and more subscribers so that I am motivated to do more videos for you. And in my channel basically I make haul videos more, and due to this COVID I'm not able to travel much, so nowadays I'm not posting the travel videos, but I'm sure within few days everything will be fine, and then we will be ready with the travel vlogs as well. Okay, so let's get started with the video. So first of all, as you can see, this is such a nice suitcase. This one of my friend gifted to Nia, and I love this suitcase a lot. It's a Barbie suitcase, and if you want to know more about this suitcase, then I will do a separate review video for this one. Okay, now let's get started with the video. Oh god, there are so many clothes. You guys surely need to catch up with this video, and I would suggest you to get a cup of coffee because otherwise you'll get bored. You need a cup of coffee as well to go through so many clothes. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, so first of all I would like to show you these two tops. This is not a top actually, these are onesies. So wait, let me show you this. Yeah, as you can see, I have taken the size as 9 to 12 months. She's 7 months old now, and in the winter season she will be probably she'll be 9 months old. So I got a size bigger because Carter's generally runs a size small, and I feel she will fit in this dress right now in 7 months itself. So I'll suggest you, if you want to get some onesies from Carter, then do get a size block. Like if your baby is 7 months, then get her clothes for 9 to 12 months. That will be much better. So this one I got in sale from First Cry, and this was just for 270 rupees. So I was just shocked, and that's why I got one more print of the same pattern. This print, both are of 270 each, and the best thing which I like is this flutters over the sleeves. This is such a nice pattern, you know, she will look so cute. It's a normal onesies. The material is smooth. I would say it's not that good material like the onesies which you get from Carter's in a higher range. Those are much softer. This is not that soft, but anyways I will give it a thumbs up because it's very nice. For the winters it will be perfectly fine. It's full sleeves, there are flutters over here, and the material is good, and there is also some detailing as you can see over here, and there's a small bow. In this one also you will get same detailing over here. There's a small bow with this lace detailing. This is heart print all over, and this is, I'll say, the cheetah print. So I love both of the colors. They are very nice. I'll give you a shot. Yeah, so both of these look like. Okay, now next up, let's see what's all there in the suitcase. Okay, next I will show you this pant. So this pant is from First Cry only. All of the stuffs which I have got is from First Cry only, and this one is from the Child World brand, and the price of this is just 179 rupees, and these pants come with booties. So there was no 9 to 12 months size for this one. I got this in 6 to 12 months size, and I feel this won't fit her in the winter season. I feel like that because the booties are too much small. As you can see, the attached booties are very small. So generally it's better to get trousers separate and socks separate, because these are not working, I guess. The child will outgrow these soon. But still I love this. There are small planets, astronauts, and this is rocket and everything. It's so nice. It's a baby pink color, and the elastic is also very soft. As you can see, it's from Child World brand, and this material is very soft. She's going to be quite comfortable in this one, so you can give this a try. The next product, okay, these are the old clothes. I guess I have shown you already in these clothes in some other haul. If you want to see that haul, I'll mention the link in the description box below. You can check out those hauls as well. These products are mentioned over there. Then these two stuffs, which is perfect for Delhi winters. Those who live in Delhi can easily give these two products a try. I got the same things in different color, because generally what I feel is, if you feel some product is very good and it's in a reasonable price, then you can get the same product in two colors, like the previous onesies which I showed you, one in the navy blue color and another one in white color. So that also I got same pattern in two colors. This one is also the same pattern in two colors. I'll show you one, the rest you will know how it looks like this thing. As you can see, this is like a sweatshirt, and mind it guys, I got this is from the Zero brand, and I got the size 12 to 18 months, because in winters we tend to layer the clothes for the babies. So during layering, I think I'm going to put some more clothes inside this one. That's why I took a size bigger, and also maybe in next winters also. Typical Indian mom. Yeah, I'm like that. So as you can see here, this is fleece material inside. So in the winter season, obviously you should get more and more fleece material clothes for your baby. I don't prefer acrylic sweaters and all, because that gives rashes to the baby's skin. So since baby skin is very soft, so I prefer this soft fleece material anytime. And this also comes with a pant. It's a jogger, I must say. It's a jogger. This kind of bands, if there is in the pant, then it will give much comfort to the baby. Okay, even when she starts walking, then also it won't hassle her much. And here also you can see, this is the inside material is fleece material. So both are fleece. And this, you guys, I got it for 280 bucks. Can you imagine? The original price was, I guess, somewhere around 450 or 500, and after discount, flat 50% off, I got it for around 280. This one as well, and the pink one as well. So the pink one is same like this, just the color is different. So this is a pink color and this is a light yellow color. So she's going to wear this for her entire winters. That I am sure about it, seriously. And this is the same thing. Now let's move on to the other products. Yes, we'll move on to more of fleece material. I got a lot of stuff for winters. There are so many cute stuffs. I just cannot resist buying those. So first of all, let me show you this. You must have seen this in lots of other Carter's video. This is a Carter fleece pant. This is a bodysuit actually, and this one I got for 9 to 12 months. As you can see, the entire chain, it runs from top to bottom, and there are two pockets which I am sure she's not gonna use. And this does not have attached booties and mittens. I don't want those for my baby right now, because when she's going to be 9 to 12 months, she won't need those booties and mittens. And best part about this is it is having an attached hoodie, because babies they tend to just remove their hats and caps somehow. So if there's an attached bootie, then attached hood, then it's gonna be an added advantage. So this is full fleece material, and it's so soft. And the best part about this is the floral print. She's going to look like a cute little princess in this dress. So I just love it. And after discount, I got this for 500 bucks. So for a fleece material like this, I'm ready to pay 500 bucks. It's really good. And in the same pattern, much like it, I got another bodysuit. it's also white in color. I somehow tend to gravitate towards lighter color clothes for the babies because they are not much dyed, and I don't like stuffs with lots of dye. Yeah, so I don't prefer much dyed clothes. So as you can see, there are no mittens attached. There is cute little print over here. The bunny's ear is also having same print. Babies tend to pull these things and they love it. So these are the ears. There is blush cheeks, then nosy, then these are the eyes. You can see the detailing over here. This is snow blue color, and the entire thing is just white color, and in the leg part you will having this print, same print. And I must say I just love this stuff. And when I turn this over, you can see this entire thing is having blue, baby blue color. Okay, and in the top there is buttons given so that you can just open it and put it on your baby. So it's very easy to wear. I got it, this is from Carter's brand only, and I got it for 12 to 18 months of age because I wanted some things to be big for her as well. Not all things you should get short, so that everything she grows out of it soon. So this is it, and I just love it. And this was also same price, $500, and I would suggest everyone to get 3 to 4 fleece pairs for your baby if you live in Delhi, because the winters are very harsh, and if your baby is small, then you surely need these fleece material things. Okay, what else? Okay, I'll show you this one. Yeah, so this actually came in a set. Wait, let me open this up. Oh god, I have so many stuffs over here. I'm only getting confused as to what to show first. I think I got so many stuff for my baby. Seriously, man. Now I am getting confused. Okay, yeah, this came with this. Yeah, let me show you this. These 3 came in a set. This is also from the Carter's brand, and the price was, I guess, around 980 rupees. That's around 1000 only. So for this jacket of this quality, I'm ready to pay 1000 for this jacket only. This is so nice. You can see there are 2 pockets, which is, I feel, useless for a small baby. And this one also I got in 12 to 18 months size. And yeah, this is full. This is not fleece material, this is full fur material. So a fur material jacket like this, a big thumbs up from my side. And also this is having attached hood, and you can see the ears. This jacket is in baby pink color, and it's very nice. Your girl is going to look cute in this. So I will always suggest you to buy from Carter's. If you are shopping from First Cry, go for Carter's, guys. So this in this set I got this jacket, then this onesie. The onesie is also very cute. As you can see, there are small prints going around the whole onesie. There's a sheep, there's a teddy, there are bunnies, bear, cats, kitten everywhere. So it's so nice. And this is also, the entire thing is in white color with pink color detailings. And also along with it there is a leggings which they gave, and this is also simple legging, but the detailing is very nice. You can see Carter's makes some very nice pieces. And also one thing I love about Carter's is the waistband. It won't ever hurt the baby. So this is it. This set I got for around $1000. This was also, I guess, in 40% discount. In any case, you will always get 40% discount in Carter's. Now yeah, this is the only dress which I got for her in the winters. I generally don't prefer frocks for babies unless and until you are doing a photo shoot or you want to go somewhere, which we are not able to go much right now. So I am generally getting her some nice bodysuits and pajamas. This is the only dress which I got. This is from the Zero brand. This is for 6 to 12 months baby, but it's very big. This is also having flutter sleeves, full sleeve. It's very soft material. There is bunny print running all over, so the basic dress looks very nice. This also, I think I must have showed you this dress in my earlier video as well, because this one I got, I guess, 3-4 months back. Yeah, so you can see my previous haul video. I'll just drop the link in the description box below. You can refer to that video for more summer clothing for your baby. So this is it. I have kept this dress for winters because this was very big for her. Now let's see what's next. Okay, let me show you this winter pant. This one I got for $250. Okay, which brand I'm not sure. This is from which brand? Okay, I'm sorry, the brand yeah, this is from Yee Garden. Yeah, this brand, oh, I didn't knew it, but this brand is very good. I must say the material of the legging is so good. It's not fleece or fur, it's the quilting material, जो चादर की material होती है, like that only. It's so nice and soft. I thought Yee Garden is not a good brand, but yes, looking at this pant, actually I saw everything after a month. So looking at this pants, I feel the brand is quite good. And this is a diaper legging actually. You can see the cut over here. So this is a diaper legging. The baby will feel comfortable, and also the waistband is good. I love this pant. It's in pink color. Maximum I'm getting pink color clothes only for my baby. And also I want to inform all of you guys that if you want to see more haul videos, just subscribe to my channel, guys, as soon as possible, because I have ordered some more clothes, and she's also getting lots and lots of gifts from her nana nani and from my friends. So if you want to see all those videos, I'm going to put them shortly. And also I have a diaper bag review for you guys. If you are thinking that which kind of diaper bag should you buy, then you can just refer to that video. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So this is it. Then also I got her some summer season clothes as well, because now in Delhi it's like so hot, even the summers are cooler than the monsoon season. So for that I got her some summer clothing. I'm going to show you just a sec. And all of these clothes now I have got in the size 12 to 18 months, because right now she's going to use it only for 1 month, and then after that in the next summer she'll be 12 to 18 months, so she can use it at that time. So first of all I got her this set of 3 slips or spaghetti, whatever you call it. So this set of 3 spaghettis, this is having small ice cream prints all over. This is yellow in color, then this is pink in color, this is having teddy print, this is blue in color having flamingo prints. So these are very soft material. So like in Delhi there is extreme weather, extreme cold, so in winter season I have to get fleece, in summer season I have to get something very thin material, so that and also sweat absorbent material. So this, if you want to get slips of this kinds, you can surely get it from the Zero brand, because they keep some very nice jhablas and slips for the babies. So this pack of 3 came for 200 rupees only. So this is a big thumbs up from my side. For summer season clothes, Zero is the best brand, and Carter's also you can go for. Fox, Carter's, Zero, these are the brands which I swear by, so you can try them. Then also there was a huge sale running on in Carter's, that you can get any of their bodysuits, not bodysuit, onesies for $199. Not only in Carter's, I guess in all the brands this sale was there. It was the Humpty Dumpty sale. At that time I got these 2 stuffs, $199 each. Oh my god, this was such a nice deal, I must say. So I was just eyeing for this onesie for a long time. It was like around 600-700, but in the sale I got it just for $199, and it's written here yum with a big ice cream. I love ice cream, so I want my baby to be in ice cream dress. So this is a onesie, and all the clothes I have actually washed, so it may look a bit crumbled, but during this COVID times it's a must to wash your baby's clothes, and then you can use them. Also, why I got this onesie, because of the detailing you saw here. Now it looks so cute in baby girls, so if you have a baby girl, then you can surely go for these kind of onesies. And also this thing, it will be easy to put on your baby. Oh, I'm sorry, I got these 2 dresses in 12 to 24 months 18 to 24 months size. Okay, I got it in a bigger size, I don't know why. Because probably my baby is having too many clothes right now, so I got some clothes of bigger size. That might be the case. So this is it. So this is the best thing which I liked, so I got this. And the second onesie which I got for her is this. This is also 12 to 18 month size, and this is from the Kadam Baby brand. You know, this is a brand which has been started by the students of NIFT, and I saw that they are, you know, making some very nice clothing. I won't say the designs are too much flashy, too much fashionable. They make simple designs, but the material is too good. See, can you see the material? This is pure cotton. All the other are hosiery material, but this is pure cotton material. So I was craving for this kind of cotton. So we don't get such dresses. And also, as you can see, the design is good. You know, this is a bubble romper kind of a thing, a bubble romper or onesie, and also it's having nice print over here, and there are buttons in the back, so it's gonna be very easy to put this on your baby. So I just love this stuff. So these are the two things which I got for her in 18 to 24 months size, so that she can use it later on. And two more stuffs I got her. This was an impulsive buy, you know, because she's having lots and lots of clothes. As you can see, this haul is just getting bigger and bigger. It's so long, but I cannot help it because I shopped a lot for her. These are the two stuffs which I got out of, you know, just I want to make her look pretty. As you can see, I didn't get more dresses for her, so all of those were the utility dresses. This is something which I got her for styling her, you know, to get nice photos and all. So this one is also from Carter's. This is what we call a sunsuit, and I got it you know, in 12 to 18 months size. And as you can see, the detailing, each and everything is so nice. It's having a flutter sleeves, and there are also frills over here. And this is double layer dress. Actually, inside there's a onesie, as you can see, and this is what we call a sunsuit, which looks like a dress, but it's actually a onesie. It's like this. Just look at the print, guys. It's so awesome. And this was for I guess 550 or 500, something like that. This was also in 40% off. And the second thing which I got along with it is this, and this is long awaited. I thought I'm not gonna wait for next year. I'll just buy this year only, and maybe I'll make her wear next year, but I will get this for her this year only. So this is a bubble romper, and the material is very nice. It's very thin, good and perfect for Delhi heat. And this is having a frill detailing over here, and you can see chikankari work, and it's having sleeves like this, and there is elastic over here. You can see backside also same design, same elastic and frill, and it's a simple dress. This one also costed me around the same $550, and I just love this dress. I can't wait to make her wear these two dresses. And what else? Okay, so this I'm finished with my first cry haul. Now let's come to mother care. Okay, so I got a set of 5 onesies from the mother care brand in the size 9 to 12 months. The set of 5 onesies came for $600 only. There was a great deal in Amazon, so I ordered this one from Amazon. And this came in set of 5 too. Actually, I have kept it for laundry. I'll show you these 3 which I'm having with me right now. This is a onesie with a pink polka dot. The best thing about mother care, as we all know, is their material. It's to die for. They make such nice and soft material for the babies. So they make simple stuffs. They don't make much stylish stuffs, but it's best for the babies. Now because of lockdown, I'm not able to get much. It's easy to order in First Cry, so I'm ordering from there, but First Cry don't keep mother care, so I'm not able to order much of mother care stuffs for her. But still some things I'm ordering from Amazon, and rest First Cry is always there, so I get her from different brands. So this is it shows smile, happy, sunny days, smiley, happy and sunny days. So it's like this. Another 2 also were in white color only. So this is it, guys. If you like this haul video, do give it a thumbs up. This will encourage me to do further more videos for you guys. And also leave down in the comment section below which clothes do you like, and if you want the link of some of the clothes, then if the links related to that cloth is not available, then I will be able to drop down the link to the nearest possible combination of clothes. So please make this video more interactive and do put down your comments in the comment section below. And also you can give me some video ideas which you further want to see in my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.